Casper has been outperforming and very bullish against Bitcoin effectively during this whole bear market. Even as Bitcoin lost its key level of support around the $29,000 region, dumping roughly $3,000, Casper didn't follow in suit like the rest of the crypto projects. But why? Well, for one, Casper is a very unique project, but equally, I believe that there is still the potential for another bullish rally for Casper in the imminent short term. Casper could skyrocket again in value very soon because of this massive big headline. Despite each Casper mining rig costing almost $50,000, $49,800, Bitmain sold out of their first batch already and has announced another batch would soon be available. Now, as I mentioned in my last Casper video, for the miners to continue making the ideal ROI, the return of investment, the price of Casper will have to continue to increase. And furthermore, the fact that Bitcoin News posted this twice, to really get the word out, cannot just be a coincidence. As it stands, furthermore, Casper is still following a similar price structure to that of Cardano, ADA, and Ethereum ETH, providing another reason as to why I believe that Casper has the potential to break its all-time high very shortly, as Casper's protocols are already far superior to that of both crypto projects. Now, in continuation, when I looked at the hash rate for Casper yesterday, it had almost reached 14 petahashes per second, which was a 1 quadrillion hash rate increase over the day before. This showcases the ecosystem's continuing growth as it is going more parabolic as time goes on. And as today, the hash rate almost reached 15, 2 quadrillion hash increase in 2 days. This is a very bullish indicator, as when an ecosystem's hash rate grows so quickly, like with Bitcoin back in the day, the price follows in suit. And furthermore, at this rate, basically a 1 PHS increase a day, it is entirely possible to achieve 20 PHS by the end of the month in 7 to 8 days, which would be a very big achievement, considering that only a month ago Casper was sitting at 2 to 3 petahashes per second. Now, like I said, Casper is a very unique project, the only project in history to solve the blockchain trilemma, and its protocols have been praised by and incorporated by industry experts everywhere. As we can see here, we have Ethereum and Cardano's founder Charles talking about Casper's protocols. And Casper's protocols have come a long way since the initial Ghost, and the new ones are breaking records. One that I am sure that will send its value to the moon is the implementation of the DAG Knight, the ultimate proof of work. The DAG Knight will be self-aware of its surrounding latencies, which means it can adjust appropriately. Improving network conditions will cause DAG Knight to improve speed automatically. But now what we really need to see, what we are really waiting for, is the continuing adoption and growth of Casper. And this is happening more and more every single day. As Casper continues to expand in Africa, previously Cas was in Uganda, and now we can see they have now landed in Nigeria. Furthermore, Casper has now reached over 300,000 holders, 300,000 addresses, which is a massive milestone to hit. And just look at how fair the distribution is to achieve such a huge milestone, and for Casper to be performing so well, all the while not being controlled and dominated by the founders or massive shareholders or whales, makes this the ultimate proof of work. And in addition, Casper's social activity has been relatively high lately, and when you see spikes in social activity, it typically means there's something to pay attention to. Another bullish indicator. The more Casper grows, more adoption grows, the more people and big exchanges, the Binances, the Coinbases, are made aware of this project, the quicker Casper will rise through the rankings. Soon enough, I believe Casper will become a top 10 cryptocurrency. Now, if you look at Casper today, the market for Casper today, Casper had broken out of this downward sloping wedge that I drew out and seemed to be following in a cup and handle pattern, which is typically another sign of an imminent bullish move. However, being down roughly 2.55% today, it seems that we may be seeing the start of an ABC correction to the downside. So what I'm looking out for is whether Casper breaks below this white area of resistance that I drew out. If it breaks below this, then I believe that confirms the ABC correction. However, with all the bullish news and indicators that I showed in this video, I believe it is entirely possible for Casper to rebound off this resistance and challenge again at its all-time high. The one thing I do want to make clear, however, is that Casper is 100% the best investment opportunity in crypto today, regardless of its short-term price action. 4 cents is nothing, it's so undervalued for how high this project can really go. So this is a project that I would definitely DCA into, but of course let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. And additionally, if you want other bullish projects to invest into, then check these videos on screen right now. But remember, it's just a coin. And I'll see you in the next video.